Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll share our videos commanded by our experts, so let's begin.
If you like, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin our today's topic. Let's begin.
Meta is moving to automate 90% of all content moderation across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp by the end of 2026. The transition is already well underway. Today, 50% of all human moderation requests have been shifted directly to artificial intelligence. This shift is a financial strategic move. Mark Zuckerberg is prioritizing investment in advanced AI projects, and the company is using automation to offset the high infrastructure costs of those ambitions. This strategy pays for itself. Automating these processes reduces thousands of contractor positions, saving billions annually. This automated scan system is comprehensive, enforcing platform rules on both public user posts and paid advertising. These combined factors represent a clear trade. Meta is reducing human oversight to gain operational efficiency and lower the cost of maintaining its future technological infrastructure. For platform users, this introduces a fundamental trade-off. You get a faster, cleaner feed, but you are now subject to a rigid reliance on algorithms to interpret your speech. The primary flaw in this system is context blindness. A machine struggles to understand nuance, intent, or the cultural framing behind a specific post or image. This creates a two-tiered system of justice. Creators are now vulnerable to automated mistakes, facing penalties before their content is ever seen by a human. Meta utilizes large language models as the immediate first-pass moderation layer for every piece of content uploaded to its servers. These models are highly effective at one specific task: processing high-volume, fast-changing safety issues in real time. They are adept at identifying complex scam networks, blocking celebrity impersonations, and flagging adult solicitation before a human could even open the file. But relying on a language model to evaluate human communication comes with significant limitations. This comparison matrix highlights the gap. While the AI is fast at catching scams, it struggles to interpret political expression, satire, and regional cultural slang. For legitimate users, this often results in erratic, false positive bands that can instantly disrupt business and communication channels. While the AI frontline achieves a volume humans could never handle, it generates friction for creators whose livelihoods depend on nuanced, complex communication. Human safety teams haven't been eliminated, but their roles have been repurposed. They are now the final layer of a much larger automated machine. When an account is flagged, an automated scan triggers an immediate penalty. User appeals are usually routed back into automated review, creating a failure point where AI reviews its own decision. Only complex edge cases reach human reviewers through a highly constricted escalation path. This structure leaves standard users trapped in an opaque cycle, repeatedly hitting an algorithmic wall when trying to correct a false positive. The system provides a human backstop for the most severe cases, but standard user appeals are now funneled into a congested, algorithmic bottleneck. Moving primary support to automated systems has introduced an unintended security vulnerability. Malicious actors are successfully exploiting these automated support bots through social engineering tactics. By learning the rigid rules the AI follows, attackers can feed the models specific inputs to bypass security and compromise legitimate accounts. Removing human intuition from platform support creates predictable pathways, and once those pathways are mapped, they can be systematically exploited. This new reality affects different types of users in very different ways. For an everyday user, the shift generally results in a cleaner feed and faster removal of obvious scams and threats. However, it is a different story for brands and creators who rely on edgy marketing, slang, or regional satire to engage their audience. This quadrant chart maps that risk. The complexity of your content is now a direct indicator of your vulnerability to automated disruption. While simple content thrives in this ecosystem, complex content requires active strategies to mitigate the risk of unpredictable automated bans. From Meta's perspective, the math works. The company saves billions while maintaining faster baseline response times across its global platforms. But for users, the availability of human review on demand has been replaced by an algorithmic gatekeeper. The default state of the platform is now one where every upload is evaluated and potentially penalized by an algorithm before it ever reaches an audience. Access to a human jury is now the rare exception, available only if you can navigate past the automated bottleneck. Success on these platforms now requires a shift in strategy. You must understand and survive the rules of the AI first pass, because you may never get a chance to explain your context to a human. To compete in the modern artificial intelligence race, tech giants are spending billions on advanced servers, specialized microchips, and elite engineering talent. Mark Zuckerberg requires a massive, continuous influx of capital to ensure Meta can build and dominate this emerging space. Historically, running platforms like Facebook and Instagram came with a massive operational overhead. The company paid tens of thousands of third-party human contractors to act as content moderators. To afford the staggering capital expenditure required for future AI supremacy, Meta is aggressively liquidating the ongoing operational costs of that human workforce. This segmented circle chart illustrates a massive structural shift happening right now across Meta's platforms. 50% of human content moderation requests have already been transitioned to large language models. These automated scans now manage the immediate first-pass moderation for terror-related material, illicit sales, graphic imagery, and standard spam. This transition is a deliberate financial strategy designed to restructure the economics of platform governance and free up billions in cash flow. Drastically reducing third-party contractor positions removes a massive recurring expense from Meta's ledger. Look at this simplified balance sheet projecting Meta's shift. Operational expenditure drops sharply, freeing capital to fund the rising expenditures needed for AI infrastructure. Early tests prove these language models quickly sort high-volume safety issues at a fraction of a human team's cost. According to data from early pilots, these models can map out complex scam networks and flag adult sexual solicitation with measurable improvements in speed. By reallocating resources this way, Meta has turned platform safety from a human liability into an automated, cost-saving asset. Human safety teams have not been entirely eradicated from the ecosystem just yet. However, their duties are now strictly sidelined. Human workers are reserved for nuanced user appeals and complex edge cases that require strict contextual understanding. Executing final account disablement protocols remains one of the few manual safeguards still in place. This line graph maps out Meta's aggressive target timeline for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. The company plans to scale this automated moderation volume to over 90% by the end of 2026. Within a few short years, algorithms will govern these platforms almost entirely, treating human judgment strictly as a last resort. Industry experts and platform watchdogs are already warning about the friction created by this sudden drop in human oversight. The primary flaw is a phenomenon known as context blindness. Opaque AI systems heavily struggle to interpret structural nuance in human communication. These models frequently misinterpret political expression, take satire literally, and miss regional cultural slang. For everyday creators and marketers, this friction leads to erratic, automated penalties and rigid appeals loops that can instantly freeze their communication channels. The financial efficiency of the new moderation architecture directly punishes legitimate users with rapid, context-blind algorithmic bans. Handing platform control over to algorithms also introduces secondary security threats, known as systemic exploits. Malicious actors can manipulate these automated support models through targeted social engineering, bypassing digital security checkpoints to compromise account security. The core trade-off of this transition is clear. Meta is securing its financial future by gutting its human moderation today. The billions of dollars saved on human labor are directly funding the massive physical infrastructure needed to power the next decade of advanced AI processing. Mark Zuckerberg is currently banking billions to build his advanced AI empire, leaving everyday creators and users to navigate a fast, cheap, and increasingly ruthless internet.